Hiya! This is a short video tutorial to help you with this piece called Right Hand, Left Hand, and it is by Susan R. Paradis. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play it for you, how it should be played, and then I'll talk you through it. So, goes like this. Okay, right, let's talk through this piece. Now, at the top of the sheet, there's a really handy diagram. It's of the piano with the notes that you have to put your fingers on. So the numbers 2 and 3 refer to the finger numbers. So what we're going to be doing with each hand is using our index finger, that's finger number 2, and our third finger, our middle finger, that's number 3. So I'm holding up my right hand here, and that is in red there, and so I'm going to put my fingers 2 and 3 on any group of 2 black notes. Okay, so all the way up and down the piano we have groups of 2 black notes and 3 black notes, and then it alternates. It goes 2 black notes and 3 black notes. You can choose which group of 2 black notes you use. Probably best to stick to a group somewhere in the middle of the piano so you're not stretching quite far away. So I'm just going to be choosing these ones. They're nice and comfortable for me. So anything in red is for the right hand to play. So we can see that we've got to press down these 2 keys 4 times simultaneously, okay? And so that will sound like this. And what's quite helpful are the words underneath as well. So you can sing or say the words as you're playing, like this. Right hand playing, and making sure they're all really nice and even like that. Okay, now on to what the left hand does. So the left hand is signified in blue, and again we've got fingers 2 and 3 positioned on the 2 black notes. I would probably go to the next group of 2 black notes down from where your right hand was. So I'll just put this piece of paper on my music stand. My right hand was here. It's easiest if you use the next group of 2 black notes down from where the right was, because if your hands are really far apart, I mean you can see them disappearing off the screen, then it's quite difficult. So have your hands on the groups of the 2 black notes that are nearest to you. Okay, so here's my left hand in position. I've got my index finger, finger number 2, and my third finger, finger number 3, and they're positioned like this. Okay, so we know that the left hand is in blue. So I'm going to be playing these 4 notes, or these 4 groups of notes rather, a bit like how I did these ones in the right hand. So at the same time and nice and evenly. And again, we've got the words here to help us. So I'll show you what I mean by that. And with the words, left hand playing, like that, nice and even. So on to the last line then, we can see that the red and the blue alternate to start with. It goes red, blue, red, blue. And you read this music left to right, as if your eyes are going to just track along left to right, like you read a normal book. So if I just play you this little bit here, I'm just going to put my music on the stand again. It goes right, left, right, left. And again, keeping it all nice and even. Last of all, we've got this bit here in the yellow section. Now, what that means is that you're going to be playing hands together. See how the notes are positioned directly, one on top of each other like this, or one above the other. That means the notes play simultaneously. So again, with that idea of tracking left to right, whatever my pen crosses, or my pencil, that's what you're going to be playing, okay? And so these are positioned exactly vertically on top of each other, so they have to be played at the same time. And of course we've got the words there to help us now together. And that last little bit will sound like this. Now together. Okay, so that's the piece. Hope you get on all right. Looking forward to hearing your progress. Bye.